And here it is. So I heard about this YouTube partnership program from a fellow YouTuber, Dora, over on her channel Weblight Dreams, and she did an unboxing before Christmas and said about this partnership program, and to qualify for it you have to have 100 subscribers, submit your channel, and if they like your videos then they'll agree. And they messaged me back within a week and walked me through with emails going back and forth what to do and add things that I wanted up to the value of $40 including the shipping. So that's shipping to Ireland. So this is what I chose. I got some, it's cotton lace trim. I found this €14, so $40 is about 35 euros, I think. So the cotton trim can be used on BeebeeCraft notebooks or sewn on. It actually has a tape on the back, and there's so many reels in here. 28 yards of this stuff, so 14 colors of cotton lace, and each roll is 2 yards. So that's quite a lot of lace, and there's such a variety of colors, and I felt that that was really something that you don't always find in quantity, and it's almost like having a full spectrum of lace colors. And lace is definitely one of my favorite things. I love lacy clothes. I'm very into the whole shabby chic lacy aesthetic, and a little bit Victorian, a little bit vintage, and I think that this has such a luxurious feel because it's not a nylon lace, it's a lovely cotton lace. So that was the first thing that I chose on their website, and I'm thrilled with this. I think this is amazing. And it has sticky back tape on the back of it, so it's easy to put down on your scrapbooks or your junk journals or whatever it is that project you're using the lace for. Even just tacking it onto the fabric before you run through with the sewing machine, it has that double-sided tape on the back. So the next piece that I got was a glass lampwork rabbit bead. Lampwork is when you get these little glass rods and you shape them into little animals and different things. It's very fine glasswork and it's very small, and I've always been enamored by the look of these tiny things. I think I would probably like to do lampwork or learn it. I always find them such little treasures. So I got this little piece, and the price of this piece was €4.99. It's quite an expensive piece in comparison to a lot of the other things on this website, but it seems to me like it's a high quality, high class thing. A single glass bead, it could make or break a whole necklace or a whole piece of jewelry or a whole item. It would just be that piece de la resistance on the whole piece. I just thought this little rabbit was so adorable. The bead hole goes all the way through from the rabbit's head right out through the round glass body. And they have other lampwork items here. Look at these toadstools. I want to get this next. 100 pieces of these tiny mushroom toadstool beads for €15, and I think that's an amazing price. So I wanted to maybe just start with the rabbit and see how I use it. So the next item I got was this nylon lace. So I know I already got some lace, but I just got this because this is like so much lace. These are huge rolls of lace, and this whole set was €11.51 in euros. The prices can go into American if you change it at the top of the page as well. The thing with nylon lace, it isn't as high quality as the cotton lace, but it has a stretch to it. It's slightly transparent, so you can fold it and tuck it and ruffle it, and you can get some great effects by ruffling the lace together. I love how delicate it is and how transparent it is. I mean, if you were using that on BeebeeCraft, you'd be able to, layer it over drawing or a painting and see through it, and it would work fantastically on so many applications. So I hope to be doing some crafts with that soon. So this parcel, it was very quick to arrive. It took about 3 weeks to get to me, and that's with all of the shipping delays, and I think that was fantastic. and they were very good. Even though I wasn't paying for this stuff and just being part of the program, I was getting the full customer service experience, because they even sent me the tracking number for the shipment and the order emails as if I had paid for this stuff. The lady, her name was Vivian. The communication was wonderful. So here is my huge haul of lace trim. So you're gonna have to wait for my next BeebeeCraft video to see what I'm going to do with this sea of lace trim. If you would like to take part on this YouTube partnership program and you have a small channel that is at least 100 subscribers, you could throw your name into the hat and see if they would be up for sending you some craft supplies. So this is the YouTube cooperation program, is what they've called it on the site, and it's just a simple form here, and you'd find the form by going down to the footer on the page, and they ask you just a few details like your name and your email, a link to your channel, and the number of subscribers you have. They also have an affiliate program on there too, so that's an interesting thing to look into as well, if that's something that you're doing. I feel really happy to be taking part in my first, I suppose, kind of semi-sponsored content. So this is my first brand partnership on YouTube, and I think this is such a little gateway experience if that's something that you're looking to grow your channel into and create a video like this, that maybe you can use it to get more experiences like this. And I would definitely say, if you have a small channel, this is a very nice opportunity to follow up if you're inclined that way. So on closing, I would like to thank Dora for introducing this concept to me, and also to Vivian at BeebeeCrafts for sending me and overseeing my participation in this program and sending me this wonderful parcel of goodies. So we're coming to the end of my video now, and if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Do have an inspiring week, and I hope to see you all again soon for another video. Bye bye.